Well, alrighty, it looks like it's a couple of minutes after 7:40, so let's get started with our 21 Mosaic football random player one Fanatics Megabox break number 3. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we'll list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Fred in the top 2 spots, and we've got Royce in the bottom spot. So we will cut and paste that against our alphabetical player list. And of course, I'll cut and paste it to the right and sort it by everybody's names. And we'll briefly scroll through the list so everybody can see which players they've got. And then we will tear into our box and see what we get. Of course, this is the Fanatics exclusive mega box, so it's got the red camo prisms. I think they're 1 per pack, if I'm not mistaken. So it's not a parallel that you see in all of the other retail configurations, which is nice from a value perspective. All right. Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's tear into our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. Pack number 1. We have a Touchdown Masters Ben Roethlisberger. Then we have a red camo prism of Matt Ryan. And base. Pack number 2. We have a green Mosaic Will to Win insert of Julio Jones. And a red camo prism of Von Miller. We have a silver 2-2 Atwell rookie. And then we have a red camo Rondell Moore rookie. And then the last card in the pack is a Marquez Stevenson rookie. Oh, how about this? Little Kyle Pitts silver Mosaic rookie. Very sharp card. And you'll laugh when you see the card right behind it. The red camo Kyle Pitts NFL debut rookie. So whoever has the Kyle Pitts spot doubled up in one pack. We have a Hall of Fame insert of Randy Moss. We have a red camo prism of Reggie Bush. And then the last card in the pack is a Asante Samuel Jr. rookie. We have a green Mosaic Got Game insert of A.J. Brown. And then we have, ooh, how about that? Little red camo prism of Tom Brady. Not too bad. And then we have a Jalen Darden rookie. We have a Got Game insert of David Montgomery. And then a red camo prism of Dante Culpepper. Then a base rookie of Peyton Turner. We have a silver prism of Derek Carr. And a red camo prism of Kareem Hunt. We have a silver mosaic prism of Minkah Fitzpatrick. And then a red camo prism Levi rookie. And then last card in the pack is an Elijah Mitchell rookie. We have a silver mosaic in Hall of Fame insert of Dan Marino. Then a red camo prism of Derek Carr to go with the silver that we pulled of him earlier. And then the last card in the box is a Trey Lance NFL debut rookie. Hopefully he'll be back next year better than ever. Kind of like Joe Burrow when he had his season-ending injury in his rookie year. Although I realize this is Trey's second year, but you all get my point. Alrighty, now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. We'll start with our inserts. Our first one is our Dan Marino Silver Mosaic Hall of Fame insert. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then next is our David Montgomery Got Game insert. And that goes to Sandy. Congrats on that, Sandy. And then next is our green mosaic Got Game insert of A.J. Brown. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is our Hall of Fame insert of Randy Moss. And that goes to Eric. Congrats on that, Eric. And then next is our green mosaic Will to Win insert of Julio Jones. And that goes to John. Congrats on that, John. And then our last insert is our Touchdown Masters Ben Roethlisberger. And that goes to John as well. Back to back, congrats on that. So then next we'll go through our base rookie cards. And our first one is our Trey Lance NFL debut rookie. And that goes to Sean. Congrats on that, Sean. Then next is our Elijah Mitchell rookie. And on the list it's Eli. And that goes to David. Congrats on that, David. And then next is our Peyton Turner rookie. And that goes to Fred. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is Jalen Darden. And that goes to Sandy. Doubling up, congrats on that. Then next is our Asante Samuel Jr. rookie. Going to Fred with the triple. And then our last base rookie is Marquez Stevenson. And that goes to Scott. Congrats on that, Scott. So then next we'll go through all of our Prism Parallels, which we have quite a few. First we'll go through our regular silver prisms, and our first one is Tutu Atwell. And that goes to John. Congrats on that, John. And then our second silver prism is Derek Carr. And we also had a Derek Carr red camo prism. And both of those go to Royce. Congratulations on those, Royce. So then next, we will go to our silver Mosaic prisms. And our first one is Minka Fitzpatrick. And that goes to John with the triple. Congrats on that. And then our second silver Mosaic prism is our Kyle Pitts rookie. And that goes to Chad. Congrats on that, Chad. So then next we'll go through our stack of 10 red camo prisms. I should say 9 since we've already called out the car. Our first one is our Levi rookie. And that goes to Anthony. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is Kareem Hunt. And that goes to William. Congrats on that, William. And then next is Dante Culpepper. And that goes to Keith. Congrats on that, Keith. And then next is Reggie Bush. And that goes to Chad. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is our Rondell Moore rookie. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. And then next is Vaughn Miller. And that goes to Chad with the triple. And then next is Matt Ryan. And that goes to Jonathan. Congrats on that, Jonathan. And then our last red camo prism is Tom Brady. And that goes to William. Doubling up, congratulations on that. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 21 Mosaic Football Random Player 1 Fanatics Mega Box Break number 3. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 22 Museum Collection Baseball Random Team 1 Box Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody.